Ina kwana na wani dan Allah mu roƙe ka kai haƙuri ka kyale mu. Nigeria is not Federal Republic of Gumi. You don't represent Muslims. You don't represent the North. You barely even represent common sense. When they were doing the kidnapping, you didn't have any moral outreach. You were silent most of the time. I think you and these terrorists need to just pack yourselves, enter a bus or a lorry, and go and build your own country elsewhere. You can't Kutapi. Just go. Create your own country, make your rules there, enjoy yourself. Nobody will come there to come and stress you. Than Allah, than Annabi. Because here, we're busy trying to stay alive. First of all, what do you mean by they are part of us? Whose family are they? And why do you keep saying us? Because I want to understand, what does us mean? What is the meaning of us? Who is us? You and who? Them and who? Where? How? They're not part of me. They're not part of my family. I don't know them. I will never know them. We need to clarify, because I am sure that I am not related to these people. I'm not related to them. I don't know about you, but I'm not related to them. Every time Nigeria tries to move forward, this guy just pops up like malaria with a sermon that nobody asked for. Terrorists are around sneezing, and the minute you hear it, you will just rush like one PR manager. You're always worried about their feelings, always worried about, what they're doing, always talking about how, the decisive actions are immoral. You're not a policy maker. You're not the government. Nigeria is not run by clerics with Facebook pages. It is run by elected officials. And let's not forget, the soldiers are actually dying in the field. While you're here, going around, justifying what these people are doing. Rest, please. We're begging you, please, just rest. Because you don't speak for the Muslims, as I said. You don't speak for us. You don't speak for the North. Cool, please. I don't even want to be rude. You speak as if Nigeria belongs to you personally, and maybe we are tenants in your compound. Because newsflash, we are not. And at this point, I think that the most patriotic thing for you to do is to just stop talking. Please, just stop talking and leave us alone. We are tired. Nigeria's security strategy is not your WhatsApp group. Sit this one out. It's like you hate our progress. Please, you hate anytime we are making, you just go like pimple. Every time terrorism is mentioned, like overnight pimples, never with solutions, just to undo all the progress that we have made. Always trying to soften the image of these terrorists and making us look like we're complicit. You're not the conscience of Nigerian Muslims. Nobody elected you. You're not the spokesman. Please. You're not the class prefect. You don't get to frame national security as a religious morality play every time a bomb drops. If you have a real plan, fine. Submit it through the proper channels. If not, please stop freelancing with our national trauma, because we are tired. On behalf of everybody, this is on behalf of everybody, from Lagos to Calabar, from Kano to Ekiti, to everywhere. There is a difference between raising concerns and constantly inserting yourself into every security matter like one self-appointed referee. Nigerians want peace. We're not looking for endless commentary that sounds like, you're always 1 second away from apologizing for terror. Every time you speak, your contribution seems to blur the line between, condemnation and excuse. The country is bleeding. Soldiers are dying. Communities are literally under siege as we speak. Most Nigerians, we just want it to stop. That's all. We're not asking you for anything. Please, just stop. What you're doing right now is not commentary. It is theater. And the last time I checked, nobody is buying the tickets to watch. If you want a country where you call the shots, Go and build one. As I said earlier, pack yourself, enter a lorry, go and build your own country because you have no authority here. Stop acting like your opinion is national strategy. If you have nothing constructive to say, please just go quiet. Or go and sue Saudi Arabia in court so that you can enter for Hajj because you have bigger problems. From where I stand, you have bigger problems. Stop pushing narratives that makes the entire Muslim faith and people from the north look like we're all condoning this thing, like we like it. Like you're spoiling the image. You're making us look like we don't want peace. Like we're enjoying it. If you can't influence the argument, logically, just leave us alone. Because what you're doing now, it just feels like endless repeat of a loop. You're always just saying the same thing in a million different ways. Today you will say it like ABC. Tomorrow you will say BCA. Next tomorrow you will say CAB. Please. Wallahi tallahi mungaji. Please. Dan Allah, dan Annabi ka kale mu. Dan Allah. Dan Allah.